In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a chart in TradingView. If you've ever found yourself needing a fresh perspective or just want to mix things up in your chart analysis, flipping a chart can be a quick and easy technique that offers new insights. Let's go through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident flipping your charts like a pro. First things first, if you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and head over to the TradingView website. It's accessible through any standard browser, be it Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, so feel free to use the one you're most comfortable with. Once you've landed on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the on-screen instructions. However, if you're already a seasoned TradingView user, simply input your login credentials and hit the login button. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to your chart. Navigating to your chart is straightforward. From the dashboard, you'll find options to view your charts, and this is where you'll want to go. Whether you have a specific chart in mind or you're exploring new markets, select the chart you'd like to work with. Remember, this feature works across all the charts, so feel free to experiment with different ones to see varying effects. With your chart on the screen, we're ready to flip it. This might sound a bit technical, but it's actually quite simple. To flip your chart, you'll use a handy keyboard shortcut. Bring the chart into focus by clicking anywhere on it. Then, on your keyboard, press and hold the Alt key, and while holding it, press the I key. In an instant, your chart will flip, providing you with a new angle to analyze. This shortcut is a quick toggle, meaning you can flip back and forth by using the same keys, allowing for a versatile analysis experience. This feature can be particularly useful when you want to view the inverse relationship within the market or spot trends that may not be visible at first glance. Flipping the chart doesn't alter any data or results. It simply gives you a new perspective. It's a neat little trick to have up your sleeve as part of your market analysis toolkit. And there you have it. Flipping a chart in TradingView is that simple. It's all about leveraging these small yet powerful tools to enhance your trading insights. Keep practicing this feature alongside your regular chart analyses, and you might just uncover insights you hadn't noticed before. Remember, practicing these techniques regularly will make you more adept at using TradingView's vast array of tools and features. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to explore and analyze charts more creatively. Happy trading, and until next time, keep those charts flipping.